Welcome to viewing 2D documents via web. Viewing more than 60 2D and 3D file formats and files is easy, and in general, the same tools are available for each type. However, there are slight differences between viewing 2D and 3D formats. In this lesson, you'll learn how to view 2D documents and files. Before we begin, let's make sure we're in Files within the Autodesk product by checking the product picker here and clicking Files in the side navigation bar. Locate a PDF file in any of the folders and click to open the PDF file. Using the navigation tool at the bottom, we can pan, fit to view, zoom, and rotate the page. We can also access settings to change some preferences and switch to full screen mode. Hover the cursor toward the left side of the screen and click on the Sheets and Views icon. This is where the list of PDF sheets in a multi-page PDF are displayed and can be selected for viewing. Let's move the cursor to the upper right-hand corner to access the Compare feature. The Compare feature allows us to review two versions of the same 2D or 3D document, or two different 2D documents, like an overlay of an HVAC plan uploaded by the mechanical engineer on an architectural floor plan uploaded by the architect during the design phase of the project. Let's select the current version of one document and an older version of the same document so we can explore the Compare tool. We're now looking at the document in Compare feature mode, with the Compare Documents window also on display. If there are changes between the two versions, we'll see them noted in red for the current version and blue for the older version. The droplet icon is to toggle between showing colors and hiding them. The icon beside it is for aligning the two documents manually. In the navigation toolbar toward the bottom of the screen, we see a second set of tools next to the viewing tools. The first button is the toggle between the overlay and side-by-side options. We're currently viewing the documents in overlay mode. Let's compare our currently opened documents another way by selecting the side-by-side option. Click and drag the line across the screen to see how to use this view. The next button toggles between opening and closing the Compared Documents dialog. The last button is to exit Compare mode. We can click X if we want to exit the viewer, but first, we'll continue to explore other tools. Another set of available tools when viewing 2D documents or 2D views are Markups, Issues, adding photo references to a document, and Measurements. We'll continue with the Markup tool as shown here. Perhaps we want to communicate that there are corrections to be made on uploaded cut sheets, specifications, or shop drawings. Within the Markup tool, we can use the Highlight tool, Shapes, Text, Cloud, and the Callout tool, then publish it to share the changes with the rest of our team members. We can also copy and delete the markup. Another tool that we'll quickly review is the Issues tool. Click on Issues in the Markup toolbar to open the Issues window, where we'll select the appropriate type of issue for what we need to track. Then, click on the area in the document that pertains to the issue. In the Issue window, we can add or edit the title, select the issue type, add a description, assign it to the responsible person, trade, or company, add start and due dates, and fill out any other attributes. We can also attach a reference, such as photos from the library, documents in files, or an RFI to an issue. Issues created from the Issues log are published by default, but from this panel, we have the option to unpublish this issue. Published issues are visible to everyone on the project with proper permissions. Unpublished issues are visible by the issue's creator and assignees. Last but not least, the activity log is where we can view all activities pertaining to the specific issue. In this video, you learned how to view 2D documents in files.